So did you ever need a salad and had to use what you had on hand, but you didn't really want lettuce? Well, I've got the recipe for you today. I'm making a couscous chopped veggie salad with a homemade lemon tahini dressing. My name is Sabrina, and this is Time to Cook. And if you like the content, click below, and let's get into the recipe. These are the few but tasty ingredients we're using for today's dressing. We're gonna pop them in this little jar, mix it up, and the dressing is done. All right, so let's put our ingredients in. Our lemon juice, maple syrup, mustard, all of our seasonings, tahini paste, which is just sesame seeds, great source of protein, and many other nutrients. And the warm water is to make sure that you can mix all this up. It sort of thins it out a little bit. Use a fork to start the mix. And let me tell you, this thing comes together so quickly, and it is absolutely delicious. It's even better. Dressing done. All right, let's look at our salad. So one of the quickest ways I've learned to make these salads is to use this little chopper. Oh my gosh, it is the best thing I have been using. So we're going to actually have a couple different things in here, but we're going to start with some of these little baby cucumbers, which are so adorable. Boom. Can't get much quicker than that. I have 2 of these little baby cucumbers. This is a great way to eat lots of vegetables and not have to, have just a salad. This is called veggie salad. You see already, we got a lot going on in there, right? And we're just about done. All right. Boom. That's already done. I'm gonna pour them right in there. A half a bag of shredded carrots, and I sliced up some tomatoes that I had too. Put that in there. A bit of pasta, but I used some pearl couscous. And our dressing. This is beautiful, it's colorful, packed with nutrients, and it's not a boring lettuce salad. Taste it. Delicious.